Sabaha everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be testing out the brand new iPhone XS Max IP68 certification in the pool. My son and I are going to have some fun right there. He's getting ready. So let's start the video and see how well this phone does in the pool. So the phone works pretty well in the water. Of course, touch sensitivity pretty much is out the door. What you have is the ability of taking a picture with the volume rocker if you want to set that up. But other than that, when you're out of the water, give it enough time to dry out because you're not going to be able to use the port at the bottom. Sound seems to have come back actually, and if you play some music through the speakers, it will emit enough sound to actually expel the water out of it. So that will help. You know, not that bad. Now, back to the water. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but overall, as you'd expect, the phone works pretty well in the water. There's no real issues here. The main thing I would say is just make sure that your SIM card tray is very flush, as well as there's no actual damage on the phone. Any kind of damage to the glass or anything like that does jeopardize or actually that does take away from the IP68 rating. So your phone has to be in a pristine case and no issues with it. And of course, you have to have a really good accomplice. But other than that, I think it's really easy to do. Just make sure your phone is good, get in the water, have fun, take videos. As you saw, the slow-mo works pretty well. Video works pretty well. I only had one issue at one point when I got out of the water with him when we were taking that selfie where the camera stopped recording. Otherwise, it actually was pretty easy to use and very, very simple. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe as usual. I always love doing these videos. Little. And when you have somebody like him to just have fun with. See you guys in the next video.